Hello friends, welcome back to Tattoo 18. Today we are going to talk about something very special, very elegant, and very close to many girls' hearts, floral tattoos. Why do girls love floral tattoos the most? Why are flowers always trending in the tattoo world? Let's understand the real reason behind this beautiful choice. First of all, flowers represent beauty, softness, and strength at the same time. A flower looks delicate, but it survives sunlight, rain, wind, and storms. Just like a woman. That is one main reason girls connect emotionally with floral tattoos. It's not just a design, it's a symbol. Every flower has its own meaning. A rose represents love and passion. A lotus represents purity and rebirth. A sunflower represents positivity and happiness. A lily shows elegance and confidence. A jasmine shows grace and simplicity. When a girl chooses a floral tattoo, she is not randomly selecting a design. She is choosing a meaning that matches her personality. Second reason, floral tattoos are very versatile. They can be small and cute on the wrist. They can be minimal behind the ear. They can be bold on the shoulder. They can be stylish as a half sleeve. They can be delicate on the ankle. Flowers fit perfectly on any body part and any size. That flexibility makes them very popular. Third reason, customization. Girls love uniqueness. With flowers, we can create unlimited combinations. Single flower, bouquet style, mandala floral, fine line floral, watercolor floral, shaded floral, name hidden inside petals. Even couples combine their love story with flowers. Some girls add their mother's name inside a rose. Some add their birth month flower. Some choose flowers that remind them of someone special. That emotional attachment makes the tattoo more powerful. Fourth reason, floral tattoos age beautifully. In tattooing, design flow matters. Flowers have natural curves and smooth lines. So when we design them properly, they move with the body shape. That gives a classy and timeless look. Even after years, floral tattoos still look elegant. Another important reason, they are feminine but also strong. Earlier, people thought tattoos were only bold and aggressive designs. But floral tattoos changed that perception. They show that tattoos can be soft, meaningful, and artistic. Today, even professional women, college students, mothers, everyone confidently chooses floral tattoos. And let me tell you something from my experience at Swastik Tattoo Studio. Whenever a girl comes for her first tattoo, 70% of the time she chooses a floral design. Why? Because flowers feel safe, meaningful, and beautiful for a first experience. Many girls say, Anna, I want something simple but classy. And floral design is the perfect answer. As a tattoo artist, designing floral tattoos requires balance. Petal detailing, shading depth, needle selection, line thickness, everything must be smooth and clean. Especially in fine line floral tattoos, precision is very important. One small mistake can change the softness of the design. That's why choosing the right artist matters. So girls love floral tattoos because they symbolize emotions. They represent personality. They are flexible in size and placement. They can hide names and meanings creatively. They look elegant forever. And most importantly, they make the wearer feel confident. A tattoo is not just ink on skin. It is a story. It is a memory. It is self-expression. And flowers are one of the most beautiful ways to express that. If you are planning to get a floral tattoo, always think about the meaning first. I hope this video helped you understand why floral tattoos are the most loved choice among girls. For more tattoo ideas, techniques, and learning videos, subscribe to Tattoo 18. If you want consultation or training, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Stay creative. Stay confident.